Yiwu Yifa Printing Company Limited was established in 2012 and is located at number 1 Sihai Avenue, Choujiang Street, Yiwu City. The total construction area is 5,000 square meters. Customer first, focus on management, sustainable development is the company's business philosophy. The pursuit of first-class quality, first-class service to ensure high-end products. Realize standardized operations and fully meet customer needs. At present, it has quite complete modern production equipment and supporting facilities, mainly introducing the new German KBA Rapida Folio 105-8+2 online cold stamping equipment, Heidelberg Quad XL 75-7+L, Heidelberg Quad XL 75-6 color printing press, Heidelberg's automatic hot stamping machine, automatic die cutting machine, complete sets of Christmas products and color box equipment are all available. Products are widely used in Christmas series, greeting cards, handbags, electrostatic film, pendants, snowflakes, cosmetics, food, electronic products, daily necessities, clothing, toys, gold and silver card packaging boxes, PVC, PP, PET packaging colors box. Facing the ever-changing technological development era, while constantly introducing advanced equipment and technology, the company has introduced good quality dedication and professionalism are the bridge between us and our customers. Professional management team and advanced printing equipment are the strong guarantee for us to achieve good quality products. We sincerely welcome friends from all walks of life to visit, guide, and negotiate business.